Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to supercharge your mornings with 5 healthy breakfast ideas perfect for busy people like you. These quick and nutritious options will help you start your day on the right foot, even when you're short on time. Let's dive in. First up, we have overnight oats. This make-ahead breakfast is a game changer for busy mornings. Just combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, and your favorite fruits and nuts in a jar. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and you'll have a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you in the morning. Next, we have smoothie packs. Prepare these packs in advance by portioning out your favorite fruits, veggies, and protein powder into individual freezer bags. In the morning, simply blend the contents with your choice of liquid, and you've got a nutrient-packed smoothie in minutes. Our third idea is egg muffins. These protein-packed bites are perfect for meal prep. Whisk together eggs, veggies, and your choice of protein, then pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, and you'll have a week's worth of grab-and-go breakfasts. Chia pudding is another fantastic make-ahead option. Combine chia seeds, milk or yogurt, and your choice of sweetener in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll have a creamy, fiber-rich breakfast ready to enjoy in the morning. Top with fresh fruit for added flavor and nutrients. Finally, we have the classic avocado toast. Mash a ripe avocado and spread it on whole grain toast. Add your choice of toppings, like sliced tomatoes, a fried egg, or smoked salmon, for a customizable and satisfying breakfast. And there you have it, 5 healthy breakfast ideas to supercharge your mornings. Give these recipes a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle.